Hi, I'm Irek, and in this short video I'll be sharing a few tips that will make your home recordings look professional. Tip number 1. Use the natural light. It's best to use daylight to shoot your video. Always keep the light in front of you, not behind you, so that your face is properly lit. If there is not enough natural light, you can use a lamp to brighten the space. Tip number 2. Set the camera position and angle. Can you tell me what's not working there? Since my face is not on level with the camera, the angle is not right. Be sure you position the camera at eye level and there is a bit of space above the top of your head. This way, you don't have to lean in to be visible in a frame, and it's easier to create eye contact with your audience. If you need to adjust your camera level, use a box or a stack of books. Just make sure your laptop is safe. Tip number 3. Prepare your background. Look into the camera and check what you can see. If it's too crowded, it will distract viewers. Take a few moments to remove clutter. We want the focus to be on you. Tip number 4. Check the sound quality. Now, let's think about the sound in your space and how well you'll be heard. If you have an external microphone, great, use it. If you don't, you can use the mic that comes with your headphones or earpods. You'll also sound great. And if you'll be using a built-in laptop microphone, just make sure that it's quiet around you while recording. So, to sum it all up, keep the light source in front of you so that you are properly lit. Set the camera at eye level. Have a clear background. Make sure you sound good. Now you're ready to turn this video into this video.